Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This is the swatch video for the Azure dip powders from the Modelones website, which I actually bought off AliExpress. So I got the set with 8 in, and I also got the clear, and I'm using the dip liquids that I was sent with another kit, but they are Modelones as well. So here they are. So I did get the clear separate from the set because I wanted to encapsulate them in clear and see what that look like. So I am using the liquids today. I haven't used them before on camera. I'm going to be completely honest, I don't like these liquids, and that's not just these Modelones, it's all the dip liquids. I'd prefer to use a gel base coat. I find that I get a much better result and I can control it a bit more, and I don't like the smell of the liquid, and I don't like the way it stings my eyes either. So yeah, I've always felt that way. Back when, even before gel polish was really available, there was dip powder available, and it's one of the first things I ever put on my nails, way back when. And I didn't like it then, and the liquid's not changed any, it's still the same. So it's perfect for swatching though. I don't mind using it on the swatches, so I'm using that. But I did get some of the glitter from this dip powder in the brush, so that will be in the base coat now, so I can't use this liquid for anything other than glitter powder. That was my fault, because you'll see when you're watching this video that I didn't actually brush off properly that first coat, and I went in with the second layer of the base coat, and some of the glitter stuck to it, and then I couldn't get it off the brush. So totally my fault, nothing to do with the product. So yeah, just bear that in mind. So yeah, I've put 2 coats of that base coat and the powder on, and now I'm just going in with the clear powder just to cover it all up, just to encapsulate it. And then when I've left that for a few seconds to set, I've just brushed it off. It does dry within 30 seconds, but to set it you do need the activator. So I'm going in with 2 coats of that. I will only show you one, but I'm going in with 2 coats. And then when it's fully dried, you just go in with the I do show you two coats of the activator on this one, but I don't on the others. So yeah, when that's fully dry, you go in with the base and top coat again, because they are 2 in 1. This one, it's a base and a top coat. And so this first one is a silver hollow. It's absolutely gorgeous. So it is a really easy way of doing nails. The only trouble is that you don't really get much of an apex with it, and you've got to be careful, because if you do dip the entire nail the 3 times that they suggest, you're going to get it quite thick at the cuticle and the tip where you want it a bit thinner. There is an easy way to get an apex, and there are people who've done videos on that, so I might do that in the future and show you how to do that, because it is possible. You just have to be a bit clever about how you use the powder and the liquid. But they are all absolutely beautiful. I was really shocked and surprised at how much I liked them. So I definitely will be using these in the future. I'm just not sure when. So anyway, I will speed through this like I said, and I'll meet you back at the end.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder right to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath or reveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break at any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie, I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight, I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise,
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes.
Okay, so here they are all together. I hope you like this swatch video. I'm trying not to make these swatch videos too long, but how beautiful are these? They're absolutely gorgeous. I love all of them. I think my favourite are the pink and the purple one, but I love the silver hollow as well and the black one. So yeah, these will feature in some videos soon. So if you're wondering about how to buy this and whether to buy this is what they look like. All the links will be in the description box. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thanks to all my subscribers, and I will see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.
I could break it anymore.